This dance is called Made in Mexico. 32 count, 4 walls. There are 2 restarts during wall 4 and wall 9 after 16 count. Let me show you the main dance. Starting with your right foot, weight is on the left. Do a side together side. Side together side. Touch. Side. Touch. Quarter hook. Section 1. Side together side. Touch. Side. Touch. Quarter hook. Section 1 with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Step, lock, step with your left. Step, lock, step. Do a sweep with a jazz pop quarter turn. Sweep, cross, back, quarter, forward. Section 2 again. Step, lock, step with your left. Step, lock, step, sweep, cross, back, quarter, forward. Section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, do a rumba box backwards. Weight is on the left. Move your right to the side. Side, together, back, touch. Side, together, forward, scarf. Section 3, do a rumba box with your right. Side, together, back, touch. Side, together, forward, scarf. Section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last section, do a rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Step forward on right, do a pivot, quarter turn to your left. Cross, right over left, recover. Last section again. Do a rocking chair. Rock, recover, back, recover. Step forward on right, do a pivot, quarter turn to the left. Cross, right over left. Cross and recover. Last section with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you end the dance here. Wall 2 facing 9 o'clock. So I will do from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And in this dance, during wall 4, 16 count, there's a restart. Let me show you wall 4. Wall 4, you're facing 9 o'clock, facing 3 o'clock here. So wall 4. Side, together, side, touch. Side, touch, back, hook. Forward, together, forward, scarf. Cross, back, side, forward. Over here, you do a restart. Side, together, side, touch. Okay, so I repeat. During wall 4, after 16 count, there's a restart. Wall 4 here, facing 3 o'clock with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you do the restart here. Similar to wall 9, there is also a restart. Facing here, 3 o'clock.